Now's as good a time as any to take an opportunity to clean up your Google Drive account. You can see here you may have a bunch of nice folders that you've created over the years, but then you'll know, as we all fall victim to, you just get busy and forget to put everything in the appropriate folder. Although that's the most efficient method of doing it, we all run out of time, and before we know it, it just piles up. So, as you can see here, I have, of course, fallen victim to that same issue and have multiple screenshots that I've randomly taken for a quick email. And now I've just let them sit there in my drive, taking up space. So, there's two things we could do. We can create a folder and dump these into a folder, or we could delete them. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do both. If you click on the image you want or the file, hold down the control button and click. And as you do, you can select as many as you possibly need to move to the folder. Now, to simply move them to a folder, you right click, go to move to. And if you have a folder, you could drop it into it. If you don't have one, you'll click new folder. And I'm going to call this screenshot. And I'm going to check this box here. And now I have it. So I'm going to move these here, and I could come back to those later and curate them, name them, and see what they actually were. Now, having done that, you may also know these are just junk, files that you created on the fly and you want to get rid of them. So the easiest way to do that, again, you can hit the file that you're looking for, hold down the control button, and click as many files. And of course, you don't have to follow in any actual order. You can skip a few if needed. And then you can come over here and you can right click and go to remove, or you can simply click the trash button and it will remove the ones and tell you you removed 7 folders or 7 files. And you can hit trash. And in trash, it gives you one more chance to make sure you don't want to completely delete them. If you're sure you want to get rid of them, you hit the empty trash button. It gives you one more warning. You hit empty trash, and now it's completely done. So here's two options during some of your time that you may have now to sit down and clean up and get this organized and get everything ready. I promise you, the more folders you create, the more organized you get.